experience. Because he's a fool. He's a tamaguni. He drinks whiskey on Saturday night, gets totally plastered, drunk, bombed out, and then he drives crazy and crashes his car, almost dies. I'll never do that again, they said. And then 2 weeks later, gets drunk, drives his car and crashes. He has experience, and people tell him it's not good to drink, it's dangerous, life-threatening. Hears and has experience, but can't learn because he's a fool. So many of us are practicing bhakti. We know what is the right thing to do. We've heard so much. We even experience when we do the wrong thing how we suffer. But still we do the wrong thing. Because we're hell-bent on doing the wrong thing. Because it's very, very, very difficult to change habits. Nature. Only by kripa, we constantly cry for mercy. Hey Bhagavan, hey Bhagavan, hey Gurudev, kripa karo, kripa karo. Only the liberated can help those that are bound. If someone is tied up by ropes, only someone with a knife can come from outside and cut the ropes. Ropes and knife. Knife in Sanskrit means sadhu. Sadhu means cutting. So the sadhu can cut the triguna maya, the ropes that are binding the jiva. Tamasi mam jyotir gama.